Got that eBay special cut. We got the, I got the black one. Except I'm missing the headers. I don't know where the headers are at, but apparently they're coming. All right, so we got it. There she is. And just got a little 12mm, and you can just work it. It's easier on the chain side. The other side doesn't have a lot of room. All right, so yeah, you gotta take the nut off on the other side because it will start, after you take the nut out, it just pulls straight through. It ain't threaded, but there's a little hole right behind this shifter knob. You just gotta take this thing bobber off, I reckon. And then we gotta take the headers and this O2 sensor off, and we should be good. So I already took out the O2 sensor, and the wires are all spun up, so I just left it spun the way that it's gonna spin back in. And I wedged this under there so that whenever I already loosened all these bolts up, but it's starting to fall down. But I just wedged something down in there so it won't fall. I reckon. Oh, all right. Pull it on the bottom. Nope, that's bad. It didn't work. I reckon I probably should have taken these plastics off. There we go. Oh! There we go. Oh! Bingo. Got the headers on, got those tightened up. Hooked up my O2. Gotta tighten that up a little bit more. Yeah, definitely don't leave stuff down there. That was very nice.